And welcome back. So another day with sunshine and very hot air. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse in North Platte, as we did have barely a cloud in the sky once again across the region as we made our way through the day today. A strong southeasterly wind, and temperatures really did get up there. This is one of our hottest days of the summer season, we'll say, so far, because it's not over yet. High temperature of 102 degrees, just missing our record by 1 degree. 104 in Ogallala, 100 out toward Valentine and Thetford, and 96 or 97 out toward Broken Bow and Lexington. Now, temperatures across the region look like this. We are down to 71 at North Platte, 78 Ogallala, mid to upper 70s into the Sandhills, and mid to upper 60s in our eastern counties right now. And here's a look at the wind, still from an easterly direction, so that'll pump in a little more humidity. Still really not that bad. Wind speeds between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Now, as for the satellite loop, not really much to see here. Maybe a few high clouds up into the Sandhills, eastern Cherry County, but other than that, we continue to have mainly clear skies across the region. So here's what it looks like across the country. All the moisture just off the east coast. We have another low pressure system. Not a lot of moisture out here either until you get down toward the southern tip of Texas, but across the country, we are staying mainly dry. One high pressure system that we had over the weekend, that's exiting. And this one is really going to be in charge over the next couple of days. It moves off to the east and continues to pump in the warm air while giving us a good amount of sunshine. So the skycast, as we make our way through the overnight, temperatures falling back from the upper 60s into the upper 50s just after daybreak tomorrow. And then we got mainly clear skies, lots of sunshine as we go through your Wednesday. We're actually going to have temperatures drop a few degrees for highs on Wednesday compared to today. So that'll put most of us into the upper 90s, and then we'll do it all again on Thursday. Thursday, we're starting off warmer, so low to mid 60s, still mainly clear skies until we get to around Thursday afternoon. This is when we have the strongest southerly wind right before the cold front making its way through. So high temperatures ranging from the mid 90s out east to a high near 103 in North Platte and just off to the west. And we'll have an increase in the clouds as we go through your Thursday night. Now, here's a look at the records that were in danger. We did not hit the record today, missed it by 1. For tomorrow, we are actually going to cool off by a few degrees, forecasting 99, and the record is 102. So we'll keep our eyes on that one. It looks like we are not going to break a record tomorrow, but for Thursday, that's when we have the strongest southerly wind with sunshine. So we're still thinking 103 degrees, and that record is 101. So that is going to be the best chance of hitting that record high for the day on Thursday, and it'll be the last day of the extreme heat. We want to show you the cool air and how it's going to filter in and when it's going to filter in. For the day tomorrow, there's your very strong warm air across the entire state, especially western and central Nebraska. That cold front is approaching. We're going to stop this on Thursday around 10 a.m. Now notice it's a pretty slow mover, but it's already past the Scottsbluff area by then. For Thursday, that will be our warmest day because we have the strongest southerly flow ahead of the cold front. So that's when we'll probably reach near 103 and break that record, because that cold front's not going to be in our doorstep until around 10 p.m. And then after that, all that cool air filters in. But notice how dry this front is. Let's take a wider view. There's the really warm air mass that's going to stick around until very late Thursday. But most of the moisture staying off to our north, and then after that, that high pressure is going to work its way in. We got the cool flow, still most of the moisture missing us off to the north until Friday night into early Saturday morning. That's when we have a chance of actually picking up some good rain. Friday's high down to 76, and then 64 for Saturday, and that's how much cool air is going to filter in. But right back up there, staying dry, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as highs rise from the mid-70s into the upper 80s. Kent?
And as we get closer to Friday, Saturday, that chance is increasing a little bit more for rain.
Yes, and it looked like we could get more rain compared to yesterday.
All right, thanks so much. We appreciate that, Justin. And with summer heading into the review mirror, many companies are requiring employees to come back into the office in person at least 3 days a week. Our senior consumer correspondent, Vicki Wynn, talks about the